Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Lina, and I'm really happy to have you here with me today. If you want to improve your English, especially your speaking and listening skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to learn English in a simple and practical way through real daily situations that you can face in your everyday life. Every day, we use English in small moments. We order coffee, ask for medicine at a pharmacy, talk to people at work, or ask for directions. These simple moments are very important, and learning how to speak English in these situations can really help you feel more confident. In this video, you will watch 5 daily situations. Each situation is short, clear, and realistic. They are real conversations, just like the ones you hear in real life. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word and follow along easily. Now, let me explain how I want you to use this video. First, listen carefully. Don't rush. Try to understand the general meaning, even if you don't understand every word. Second, listen again and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime. Say the sentences out loud. This will help you improve your pronunciation and your confidence. Third, focus on useful sentences. You don't need to memorize everything. Just remember the sentences you can actually use in your daily life. Please don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and they help you get better. I recommend watching this video more than once. The first time is for listening. The second time is for repeating. The third time is for feeling confident. If you practice a little every day, you will see real progress. Your listening will improve, your speaking will become easier, and most importantly, you will feel more comfortable using English. So relax, enjoy the video, and let's learn English together through real daily conversations.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm not feeling well today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
I have a strong headache and body pain.
Okay, how long have you had the pain?
Since yesterday.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't.
Are you taking any other medicine now?
No, I'm not taking anything.
Okay, I can give you a painkiller.
Is it good for headache and body pain?
Yes, it helps with headache, body pain, and mild pain.
How should I take it?
Take 1 tablet after food.
How many times a day?
2 times a day, morning and evening.
Can I take more if the pain is strong?
No, do not take more than 2 tablets a day.
Are there any side effects?
It is safe, but do not take it on an empty stomach.
Okay, I understand.
Also, drink a lot of water and try to rest.
How many days should I take it?
Take it for 2 or 3 days only.
What if the pain doesn't stop?
If the pain continues, please see a doctor.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
How much is the medicine?
It is $4.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your medicine.
Thank you very much.
Get well soon. Have a nice day.
Is this medicine safe for me? Asking if the medicine is safe to take. How should I take this medicine? Asking for instructions on how to use the medicine. We can use this sentence when we ask about medicine. It will help us talk to a pharmacist clearly. Hello.
Hello, welcome. How can I help you?
I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee do you want?
I want regular coffee.
Okay. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Do you want milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, 1 spoon of sugar.
No problem.
Can I have it to go?
Yes, of course.
How much is it?
It is $3.
Here you are.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
Just 1 minute.
Okay, I will wait here.
Your coffee is ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It smells very good.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you sell snacks?
Yes, we have cookies and muffins.
I think I will take a cookie.
Sure. Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $4.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your coffee.
Can I have a hot coffee, please? Can I have tea with milk? Can I have one more, please? These sentences are useful for ordering drinks or food. You can practice them to feel confident in a cafe.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy some vegetables, please.
Sure. What do you need?
I need tomatoes and onions.
How much tomatoes do you want?
2 kilos of tomatoes.
Okay. And the onions?
1 kilo of onions, please.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, I also need cucumbers.
How much cucumbers?
Half a kilo.
Okay.
I also need potatoes.
How much potatoes do you want?
3 kilos.
Great.
Are the vegetables fresh?
Yes, they are very fresh.
Are they from today?
Yes, they are from today.
That's good. I like fresh vegetables.
Of course.
Can you put the tomatoes and potatoes in one bag and the onions and cucumbers in another bag, please?
Yes, no problem.
How much is everything?
It is $9.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
All right.
Here is the money.
Thank you.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Are these vegetables fresh? How much is 1 kilo? We can use these sentences when buying vegetables or fruits. They help us ask for fresh items and the right quantity.
Hello.
Hello. What brings you here today?
I want to send a package to London.
Okay. Is it a small package or a large one?
It is a medium box.
All right. What is inside the box?
Some clothes and books.
Great. Do you know the weight?
Yes, it is about 2 kilos.
Perfect. Do you want standard shipping or express?
What is the difference?
Standard takes about 5 to 7 days. Express takes 2 to 3 days and costs a bit more.
I will choose express, please.
Okay. Please write the sender and receiver addresses on this form.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Now I will weigh your package.
How much will it cost?
It is $15 for express delivery.
And is there tracking?
Yes, you can track your package online with this number.
That's great. What if the package is delayed?
If it is delayed, you can contact us with a tracking number.
How should I pack it to be safe?
Make sure the box is closed well and put soft material inside to protect the items.
Okay, I did that already.
Perfect. Everything looks good.
Can I insure it?
Yes, you can. It is an extra $2 for insurance.
I will do that, please.
All right, your total is $17.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and tracking number.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Which shipping option should I choose? Which delivery option is faster, standard or express? Can I track my package online? Can I check my order status on the website? These sentences help us send letters or packages easily. You can also ask about shipping and tracking with them.
Hi.
Hello, welcome. Are you looking for a specific book today?
Yes, I want to find an English book for beginners.
Great. Are you looking for reading or grammar practice?
I want reading practice, please.
Okay, follow me. These books are very easy and simple.
Thank you.
You can choose any book you like.
I like this one. Can I borrow it?
Of course. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
2 weeks is fine.
Please make sure to return it on time.
I will. How many pages are in this book?
It has about 100 pages.
That's good. It's not too long.
Yes, it is easy for beginners.
Can I borrow more than one book?
Yes, you can borrow up to 3 books at a time.
Great. I will take this one and another book for grammar.
Sure, let me check them for you.
Thank you. How much is the late fee if I return it late?
It is $1 per day.
Okay, I understand.
Do you want me to help you find the grammar book?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here it is. This one is easy too.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy reading.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Can I borrow this book for 2 weeks? How long can I keep it? We can use these sentences to borrow books at the library. They remind us to return books on time and follow the rules. That's all for today. Remember, the more you listen carefully and repeat the sentences, the faster you will improve your English. Practice a little every day. Have fun, and don't worry about mistakes. See you in the next video.